using the completing the square method, derive the quadratic formula. Solution. Our general equation is given as as squared plus bs plus c is equal to 0. From our knowledge of completing the square, we can be able to derive the quadratic formula. So the first thing we do here is to move the constant term to the left-hand side. So we have that as squared plus bs is equal to minus c. And recall that for us to use the completing the square method, the coefficient of x squared will be equal to 1. So we divide through by the coefficient of x squared, which is equal to a. So a here can cancel out a. We obtain that s squared plus b divided by a multiplied by s is equal to minus c divided by a. Now, the next step is that we multiply the coefficient of s, which is b divided by a, by half and square it. So we have that b divided by a multiplied by 1 divided by 2 is equal to b divided by 2a. Now we are going to square it and add it to both sides. So we square it and add to both sides. Our equation becomes s squared plus b divided by a x plus b divided by 2a all squared equal to minus c divided by a plus b divided by 2a all squared. From our left-hand side, we can factorize. We have that x plus b divided by 2a all squared is equal to minus c divided by a plus b squared divided by 4a squared, because 2a squared is equal to 4a squared. From our left-hand side, we have that x plus b divided by 2a all squared. So from our right-hand side, we have denominator a and 4a squared. So therefore, our LCM is 4a squared. So 4a squared divided by a is 4a. 4a times minus c is minus 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is equal to b squared. So therefore, we can have that x plus b divided by 2a all squared is equal to, we can rearrange our numerator. Our expression becomes b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Now, if we take the root of both sides, we have that x plus b divided by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. First, our right-hand side becomes plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by root of 4a squared. So our equation becomes plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we bring down the expression in our left-hand side. So we have x plus b divided by 2a. Now to make s our subject, we move b divided by 2a to the right hand side, we have that x is equal to minus b divided by 2a plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, since we have the same denominator, we can arrive at x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have been able to derive the quadratic formula from the general equation using the completing the square method. Please, if you know you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. It encourages us to make more videos. And please comment and share the video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.